Stays here.
But
then you're gonna
oh,
turn it around.
fucking supposed to be like that, dude. No. That's the way it's supposed to be.
No. You're wrong.
You're wrong.
You have it right. You have it right.
No. I'm telling you.
You have it right.
Hey. Don't doubt me.
Trust me, all you gotta do is turn around the plate.
A cold start will clear my head.
How old are you gonna be tomorrow?
I'm old, man.
Beautiful, right?
Okay, I'll pull it out. Hang on. It's so loud. It's so loud. Alright guys, so we are going to do an install today, and it is for a stow and show. So I want to say thank you to my buddy Peter for sending me this. I have gotten quite a few tickets in the past for no front plate here in New York. They're very, very strict about that. So we're going to open up the box and then we're going to go install it with my buddy FP2000. No, what are you doing? Flip it that way, yeah.
I was trying to do. Let me do a selfie.
So before I do, I want to say thank you to knivesdeal.com, a big supporter of the channel. They have really good knives for a really good price. You get 10% off any purchase if you use the discount code RTLife. So really, guys, thank you over at Knives Deal for supporting the channel. So let's take a look at what actually comes with the stow and show. See, it should be a fairly easy install. And here it is. So I have to figure out where exactly I want to place this and everything, but should be a fairly straightforward install. This is the piece that will have your license plate, and this is going to be the piece that gets drilled in your underneath your car. So somewhere in your underneath your car or something, you're gonna have to drill this. The license plate is gonna be on this right here, and then it just kind of slides right in. So I don't know where this is going to fit. I have to see. I have a front lip on my car, so it's going to be interesting. And yeah, let's get this going.
I'm not gonna record it.
You're not going to record it?
No, you gotta post it. I gotta post the same fucking thing every time.
Yeah.
No, you post it. I'm gonna check.
Yeah, you do.
No. I gotta get mine. You got the one for the RT, right?
All right. Yeah.
Because this is the thing when I order. I'm not gonna.
Where?
Because the one for mine is bigger.
Okay. So here's what we're discussing. Where this piece is going to go. So I think we're going to settle, what, right here?
In the middle, you want.
Right
you
in
want
the
in the middle, right? Because you're gonna kind of see it. So at least if it's in the middle, it looks more.
But you're not gonna see it like standing up. So.
No. I mean, those.
I wanted it down here, but Frank brought up a pretty solid point that as soon as I scrape, it's going to be done.
Yeah.
Little tab that you push out on like that, and then put it in the hole. Boom.
I mean, this is for the helicopters to see the plate.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't pull it, otherwise you're gonna pull the whole thing out. It's okay, listen, as long as you have the front plate.
Yeah.
As long as they can see it, it's okay.
Kind of looks weird angled like that, but
Told you bend it. I told you before, bend it. You can bend if you pull it out,
yeah.
bend them down. You saw mine. I gotta ask the guy if he can sponsor me.
What guy?
The store and show. Don't bend it like that though. You're gonna break it. Don't bend it while it's in.
I'm not bending nothing.
Oh, I thought you said you're gonna bend it.
No. I don't know. This doesn't.
Can I give you a suggestion?
Go ahead.
Remove these two screws. Put this one on the bottom, the plate down, and put the screws down so the plate is lower. Stays here. But then you're gonna
It's
turn it around.
fucking supposed to be like that, dude.
No.
That's the way it's supposed to be. No.
No, you're wrong.
You're wrong.
You have it right. You have it right.
No. I'm telling you.
You have it right.
Hey. Don't doubt me.
Trust me, all you gotta do is turn around the plate.
Hold on. Wait for it.
You have it wrong though. This is the right way, I mean. Sorry. But if you turn around the plate, that's all you need to do. This guy right here.
No, I'm telling you.
Guys, tomorrow it's his birthday. Make sure you wish him happy birthday.
It's definitely not my birthday tomorrow.
Yes, it's what you said.
You got the wrong guy, man.
He doesn't want people to know his information. Because then he thinks, a lot of people are going to hit him up and say, guy, you're so sexy.
People are going to be like, yo, you're so old.
Those freaking tacos kill me, bro.
Dude, I am dying right now.
I can't even breathe right now. Delicious place though. Skirt steak tacos, those are good.
I told you. The skirt steak and we got the shrimp. It's definitely my spot. I got this, Frankie. I got this. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. If we're both talking about the same thing, we have a real bad communication problem.
I could accept that with me that I don't speak English very well, but
Tomorrow, baby!
from you,
There it is.
ooh, ooh. That's not in all the
That's
way.
it. I'm telling you, that's it.
Pull it. Try pull it. See? It's not in. That's got to click.
Give it a way.
Now it clicked.
Well,
Thank you.
It doesn't. I'm
Thank
just
you.
saying that was
Thank
the
you.
way that it's supposed to be.
Thank you,
though.
Frankie.
Thank you, Frankie. That's the way it's supposed to be, though.
I mean, I still think that's
Who
gonna.
cares at this point?
I'm sorry, that's gonna make your car slower, guys. What do you think? That's gonna make the car slower? Because that's gonna block the wind.
What the fudge are you talking about?
It's not very aerodynamic.
Yeah, but this is not going to stay on when I'm doing shenanigans. This is just for commuting purposes.
I understand. It goes with the car, though. Blue plate. Wait, aren't you supposed to change it to the yellow plate?
Yeah, but
Why?
I don't want the yellow plate.
I thought you were supposed to buy
I
2000.
like this better.
I thought it was mandatory.
No,
You sure?
I'm positive.
Like you were sure with the plate?
Yeah,
See? You know,
I'm gonna nut crack you. All right, so that was good. That looks. How does it look on video? Good.
I don't know. I'm just recording.
You're just recording.
Yeah.
Let me stand. Let's see. What do you think? Like,
It's fine. Like you said, it's only for commuting. Yeah, but you're going to push it in a little bit more, bro.
no, I just want to get the general look. Okay, I think it looks fine. I think it looks good.
I mean, it does looks weird. It stick out a lot.
It does stick out a lot.
But it should be able to go in, though.
Okay. So now I just put this in my car. And when I go on long road trips, I break it out and I'm good to go. And
I'm about to vomit, guys, because those 4 tacos
oh
are
my
coming.
God, they're sitting right there.
They're coming right up.
Right there.
Oh my God.
I feel like I need to take like a 4-hour nap. So look at it without it. It doesn't really. You don't even notice it. You know what? Maybe I should black these.
No, don't black
No?
anything. Who's gonna see? Who's gonna go under your car?
I don't know.
Right, people, you're gonna look at your car from here. Can you see nothing from here? No.
I can't. I mean, I can, but I can.
Guys, he's a little paranoid. Here, you decide what you want to do because
I think it looks fine. Okay.
it's on Mopar.
All right, Frank. Here you go.
It's gotta be a Mopar.
Review the Monte Carlo.
No. What review Mopar?
Come on, review the Monte.
What am I
over.
Mm-hmm.